Hello. So this is for the next to last. We're almost there, everybody. Next to last CMS update. So it is I, Aaron Bechtel, the developer. Okay. One thing I did is I made this application hosted on the internet now, so you can actually see the progress. If you navigate to cms.f6ninja, all letters, no numbers, okay, .dev or dev, you can now see my application. Of course, we added our contact edit, a new document edit, and we're not going to worry about that. We did that. We're going to re-demonstrate that. We don't have to worry about authentication. I still need to eat and sleep. Okay. As you can see, we still have our documents now. If I go to messages, there's a bit of a delay. That's intentional. For some reason, it would not work without doing some set timeouts. So I had to put it in timeout. Yeah. Especially have to put me in timeout. Contacts. Still gets all my contacts. As you can see, we're getting everything. Exactly what we wanted. And my goodness, that took forever. These little links up here will navigate back to the home page. So if I do that, it navigates me back. And by default, it goes to documents as the first link. If I wanted to add a document, I could. Let's say I do. I'm trying to think. I have the blogs already. Let's do portfolio. It's nice. Well, portfolio, everybody. Oh boy. All right. My portfolio, document URL, we're gonna do this and make this easier. Boom, just like that. I wouldn't call it my portfolio, but I'd call it the project link landing page. This is going to contain all my project's links. So hit save. It shows up. Take a look at the inspection here. This is content.js. That's something that has to do with a Chrome extension. So we're not worried about that. Yay. Only one issue. When is that issue? Oh, nobody cares. Stupid issues. Node cannot be found on the current page. Okay, cool. So yeah, we can go to it. We can still see it. If I wanted to edit it, put exclamation point instead. This is the one thing that I have that's currently a bug that I've labeled in all my repositories. The current repository. For some reason, I think I might have to do an after view init or something like that. It doesn't really update on the re-render. Oh, I just noticed that too. Huh. Gonna have to fix that. Yeah. That's interesting. Let's go to network. Payload. Yeah. Huh. Must have forgot to put a UUID on that one. Oops. All right. Well, contacts. Yep. This works. If I go to, geez, navigate you down there. So I don't see it. Oh boy. Contacts, response. I feel like this is right. Yeah, it's right. All these contacts. Do new contact. Now let's try to put some new and hit save. No image. Could do that. Could also delete it. So it's gone. Do it again. But we can see these here. We got a UUID. That's interesting. Yeah. I wanted to edit it. Change this to 08 instead. Hit save. See, it does the same thing. It's having that issue. So if I hit refresh, and I go back to that contact. See, it shows up there. Yeah, I think it has to do something with the connection, so to speak, between components. So I'll have to see what that does. But I mean, other than that, it still works. Maybe it has to do another timeout method. So annoying. So I'm just gonna, let's see, I'm gonna do another edit, and I'm gonna put in, let's put in the whole team. There you go. Save. All right, contacts, and that. Let's see, got the team in there. So, yep, I'm gonna delete it, and it's gone. Okay. Serves that. Yep, we're good. All right. Messages. As you can see, this works. And it works like this is the one thing I was struggling so much with. Oh my goodness. This is the bane of my existence. All these names at one point did not have names. They said undefined or unknown sender because for some stupid reason I had to include timeouts. So, yeah. Got it to work. And it scrolls all the way to the bottom. Oh, makes me so happy. So, yeah. This works. Put in let's do that. And there's a default ID that's going to have this user. So, or UUID that's going to navigate to that user. So if I do, are better. Okay, if I do that, as you can see, the characters remaining thing updates. Pretty nice, right? Gonna keep going down until it turns color, and boop. There we go, it turns orange. See that turned orange? It's cool. And then now it's red. If I try to go all the way down to 0, still present a bunch. It's not doing a thing. It's beautiful how that worked. And then it's blinding you. But yeah, now it's like a dark red. If I were to take out some characters, you can see it gets a bit brighter. And if I take out more characters, it's still brighter. Still brighter. It's a bit orange now. It's kind of hard to tell, really. We're in the green. So yeah. Let's go and send it. And see, it automatically scrolled. Oh, I'm so accomplished. Feels so much better. So much better. We take a look at the payload. It's under network. And it's being a butt. Interesting. Okay. Let's see if we can do another. Let's do a little test. I'm hungry, by the way. Let's watch this little thing. All right, see messages. Click payload. Test of chicken. Here's the sender ID. And then under ID is, I call it Sunder. Because Dunder is, you know, you got like double underscore usually. So I'm going to call it Sunder. Sunder ID, it's blank. And then it responds by automatically generating something in the database. That's where a lot of this stuff came into play. Oh my goodness, this was tough. So many levels. If I were to enhance this even more going forward, if we don't do it in the next week, next update, I would probably want to add authentication to this. That sounds more like a pain in the butt. So, kind of don't want to. Let's see. There's a session cookie. I believe that is the access token. Wait, there's no access token. I don't know what that cookie's for. Huh. Cool. Yeah, I have no idea what that cookie's for. But it's a session cookie. So yeah, there's that. The local storage. Firebase video. Do I really have that? I don't think I've added that yet. Let's see. Let's take a look at strictly auth. Interesting. So I was going to do something of that nature. Huh. Oh, I guess I've already done that. So weird. Hmm. Yeah, cool. So, yeah, that's basically the whole project for the most part. I'm pretty sure we'll be adding something to the, oh, I can't even think of the word. To the application next week. So be on the lookout for that. Within the next week or 10 days, depending on how tired I am. I may be a little late. So, yeah. Yeah. Alrighty. Take care.